Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. About to test the starter for this Honda Civic. It passed. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some information with you about replacing the starter on this 2007 Honda Civic. It's a really strange situation. It's cranking real slow intermittently, and then it's cranking so slow that it's dying, even with a good battery. So I got a starter, and then we're going to go ahead and replace it. Starter failure is not that common with these vehicles. However, like at all electrical parts, they do fail. This one became mildly intermittent, and then progressively over a couple of months got to where it just wouldn't start at all. Charged the battery up and it starting again, but we're going to go ahead and replace it. It was, like I said, it's real slow crank, and then it would fire up. So there's 2 videos linked in the comments that are very good videos, so I'm not going to redo the whole entire video. First thing I did was drove the car up on ramps. That's high enough to get under there because the starter is on the back lower side of the engine, or really on the back side of the engine, halfway up. Next thing I'm going to do is disconnect the negative battery terminal right there, 10 millimeter, and then I'm going to stow the cable so that it can't connect. That way nothing gets shorted out while I'm replacing the starter. To my surprise, these starters are different. This one has a side mount, and this one has an end mount. I'm going to see if it'll fit and work, but that is a little bit of a surprise. Kicked off the day, went to our church service. Now I am in Panther, waiting in line to clean Panther up. Not too bad of a line, but as you can see, the hood on Panther is dirty. So we're going to clean Panther up, then take care of a few more things this afternoon. Day after I washed it last time, we had a little bit of snow. Then somehow I got some bird poop. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up and see what else I could get into after that. Got Panther all dried off. Found my microfiber tiles. Looking pretty clean. Need to get some wax on it within the next week. We are here with this C30. It is on the road. We're going to put this timing belt cover on. We got one from the salvage yard. Paul's rubbing on it, so I don't have it. Then we may change the oil. He snapped his mirror cover on. That thing is all loose and loosey-goosey. Then he's going to change this turn signal light thing over there. I didn't check for the battery cover, even though the battery's too high. So may also do a oil change. But let's go ahead and start off with taking these covers off so we can get that lower front cover on. Take the mount out, jack the engine up, yada yada yada. Alright, I put that magic 10 millimeter bolt in right there. Now I'm going to put this lower cover on and put the T30 in there. May have to jack up that engine a little bit to get that in, we'll see. I got the cover in place. You gotta kind of lean the bottom of it in on an angle so that it can go where it needs to in the inner cover. Then it's got a clip on the side there, clip on the side there. Same on the back side. And then you got that T30 right there. I'm gonna put that in. And then I'm gonna put these other 2 covers on after I put the engine mount back in place. Got the covers in place. Now we're going to drive the car up on ramps, change the oil. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.